What I'm about to say might sound unrealistic at first, but it's true. Your life can start shifting in just 1 week, not in the sense that everything magically transforms overnight. You won't suddenly become a millionaire by Friday, but the direction of your life? That can absolutely change in 7 days. A tiny shift today can place you in a completely different position a year from now. So if you've ever felt stuck, if you've ever said, nothing ever changes, here's a simple question. What did you change? Because there's one principle you can't escape. If you want things to change, you have to change first. That realization hit me during one ordinary week. I adopted 5 small habits, nothing dramatic. But by the end of that week, my energy, my focus, and my results felt different. The trajectory of my life had started to move. Let me share those 5 habits with you. Not theories, not quotes from a book, just practices that worked when I actually applied them. Habit 1. Design your day before it begins. Most people wake up and immediately react to the world. Messages, emails, problems, noise. Instead of leading the day, they get pulled by it. So I tried something simple. Every morning, I spent 10 minutes deciding what a successful day would look like. Just 3 key tasks, 3 things that would make me proud by night. That small habit changed everything. It gave me direction. It gave me control. When you lead the morning, you lead the momentum of the day. Before you start moving, see the day clearly in your mind. You are the architect. Don't let randomness design your life. Habit 2. Feed your mind something meaningful. Not gossip, not endless scrolling. Something valuable. I started with just 10 pages a day. 10 pages sounds small, but over a year, that becomes thousands. Do that consistently and you absorb ideas, perspectives, and wisdom that slowly reshape how you think. Within a week, I noticed something. My reactions changed. My conversations improved. I wasn't just reacting to life anymore. I was responding with clarity. Be selective about what enters your mind, because whatever you consume repeatedly eventually shapes who you become. Habit 3. Move your body every morning. No extreme workouts, no complicated routines, just a simple 20-30-minute walk. This wasn't about fitness goals or appearance, it was about discipline and energy. When your body moves, your mind wakes up. You send yourself a signal. My health matters, my time matters, my life matters. And once you treat yourself with value, the world starts responding differently too. Habit 4. Write things down. Ideas disappear when they stay in your head. Lessons fade. Progress becomes invisible. So I began journaling. Nothing complicated, just a few lines each day. What went well? What did I learn? What can improve tomorrow? Writing created clarity. It showed progress. And it reminded me that life isn't just time passing, it's experiences building. When you document your journey, you start to see growth you would have otherwise missed. Habit 5. Start the day with gratitude. Before getting out of bed, I named 3 things I was thankful for. Every single morning. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good idea. It's powerful. It shifts attention away from what's missing and toward what's present. You can't feel deeply grateful and deeply negative at the same time. Gratitude resets perspective, and perspective shapes emotion. Even the smallest things count. A roof, a warm drink, a supportive message. Focus changes feeling. Feeling changes action. Now imagine doing these 5 things for just 7 days. Plan your day. Read something valuable. Move your body. Write your thoughts. Practice gratitude. Will everything transform instantly? Probably not. But will you feel more focused, more capable, more in control? Almost certainly. 7 days is enough to change your rhythm. And once the rhythm changes, results follow. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for next month. The moment you decide is the moment things start moving. You have the choice. You have the next 7 days. Start today.